Sugar swaps, mad diet, the diet that makes a difference. Based on a healthy Desi keto, it's a combination of intermittent fasting and a low carb lifestyle. It is designed to turn your body into a fat burning machine, the Desi way. Whether it's roti and curry, parathas, samosas, or if you want to go the Western way, pizzas, burgers, wraps, you can enjoy it all while staying full and energetic throughout the day. That means no strict dieting, no pills, no starving, and no more boring salads. The only side effects are losing weight and getting fit. The process is simple. Fill in your stats and your personalized mad diet plan is generated. Now, you may be thinking, how is this different from any other diet plan generator? Mad Diet not only generates your personal diet plan but also sends you the specially curated Mad Kit, that is Sugar Swap's most loved products, which made a difference to lakhs of people across the country to keep your diet on track effortlessly. The Mad Diet has unique recipes that are delicious yet simple to make and require minimum to no cooking skills. With the help of the recipe videos, anyone can cook healthy. The Sugar Swaps products ensure that the food is delicious and nutritious too. This smart web app is also designed to track your progress as you go along. Too much, right? Let's take a deep breath. In, out. Breathe easy and meditate with our inbuilt Breathe app for better cognitive health and a calm, cool mind. As they say, inhale peace and exhale stress. The Mad Diet guides you every step of your journey and helps you with useful tips along the way. Together, let's make India fit again. Jai Hind.